Hello my dear students, welcome back. Let's recite a poem today. So the name of the poem is The Swing and the name of the poet is R.L. Stevenson. Alright, so the full name of R.L. Stevenson is Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay, so let's go ahead. Children, a swing is a seat hung from above so that we can move backward and forward easily. So have you ever been to a park and enjoyed on the swings? Well, the poem is about how a person feels on a swing. So let's start reading. How do we like to go up in a swing, up in the air so blue? Oh, I do think it is the pleasantest thing every child can do. So in these lines, the poet asks, how do we like to go up high on a swing, up in the air, feeling like that we have reached near the blue sky? According to the poet, taking swings is the most enjoyable thing that a child can do, right? Okay. Let's read ahead. Up in the air and over the wall, till I can see so wide, rivers and trees and cattle and all over the countryside, till I look down on the garden green, down on the roof so brown. So here the poet says he enjoys going up very high on the swing till he reaches over the wall and till he is able to see all the things of his town as rivers, trees, cattle, etc. He is also able to look down at the green garden and brown roofs of the houses. Now, up in the air I go flying again, up in the air and down. So the poet enjoys a lot going up and down in the air, feeling like flying again and again. So children, this is all about this poem. I hope you could relate the poem with your experience on the swing. Alright, moving on to the back exercise. So in part A, you have to answer the questions. First part is tick the correct words this poem is about. So the part A is a visit to a zoo. Option B is a child's first day at school. Option C is the joy of going up and down on a swing. So the correct option is part C. The poem is about the joy of going up and down on a swing. Alright? Then second part is, how far does the swing go? The swing goes up in the air. Okay. Moving on to third part. What is the color of the roof of the house? So the roof of the house is brown. Okay. Moving on to part B. In this you have to write the names of 5 things that the poet sees from the swing. That means when he goes up on the swing, what 5 things does he see from the top? So, rivers, trees, cattle, garden and roof. All these 5 things he could able to see from the top. Alright. Now, moving on to the notebook work. Children, this is the reference to the context or RTC of the poem The Swing. Here we have taken the last 4 lines of this poem. Let me read. Till I look down on the garden green, down on the roof so brown, up in the air I go flying again, up in the air and down. Okay. So the first question is, name the poem. The answer to this will be, the name of the poem is The Swing. Next question is, what is the color of the garden? The color of the garden is green, right? So the third question is complete the sentence. Down on the roof, dash. You have to find this line from the poem and complete the sentence. It will be down on the roof so brown. Okay, moving on to the fourth one. Write one rhyming pair. From these 4 lines, rhyming pair will be brown, down. Alright. Now the last question is write opposite of up and come. So the opposite of up will be down and opposite of come will be go. Okay. Now moving on to the homework. You have to do this worksheet on the topic verbs or doing words. So in question 1, you have to circle the verbs from the given words. Then in question 2, you have to fill the blanks with is, am, are and ing form of the verbs. Okay. So children, this was all about this session. I hope you find the video useful. And one more thing, you have to do this in your notebook. Okay. Thank you, students.